How do you say son in French? The word son in French is fils, fils. For example, le nom de son fils est Pierre. Le nom de son fils est Pierre. His son's name is Pierre, or literally the name of his son is Pierre. In the plural, sons is also fils, so it doesn't change. So deux fils means two sons. For example, elle a deux fils. Elle a deux fils. She has two sons. Because fils is a masculine noun, if you want to say my son, you say mon fils, mon fils. So son in French is fils. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Fils comes from the Latin word filius, meaning son. It shares roots with words like filial and affiliate. They're all tied to family or connection.